Every steel bar begins its journey far beneath the Earth's surface.
Iron ore is extracted in massive volumes with precision and power.
Each load begins the long path toward transformation.
From extraction zones to primary processing, the journey never slows.
Ore is broken down to prepare it for smelting. Every piece is sized and screened for uniform melting. Precision sorting ensures the furnace receives consistent material. From raw stone to prepared feedstock, efficiency is key.
Massive machines collect and move ore with rhythmic precision. Transport begins long before steel reaches a factory.
Each wagon carries the lifeblood materials of modern industry.
From remote mines to giant steel plants, the journey moves forward.
Millions of tons travel across continents every year.
The raw ore finally reaches the world of heavy manufacturing.
Trained teams handle every step with methodical discipline.
The raw material enters the plant's intake system. Air control systems maintain safety and visibility. From mine to furnace, the transformation is about to begin. Inside the plant, controlled pathways move the material toward its first transformation. Gravity-assisted chutes feed the ore into pre-processing zones. Each stage prepares the next, maintaining flow without interruption. Human oversight ensures the automated system remains stable. Purity improves as the ore gets closer to the melting stage. Every unwanted fragment is removed before smelting. The heart of steel production awaits beyond these walls.
Inside lies the energy that transforms stone into liquid metal.
Here, raw material meets extreme heat. This is the gateway to molten transformation.
Temperature rises sharply as materials descend.
Human expertise guides the automated charge sequence. The blast furnace consumes raw ore with relentless intensity. Additives refine and adjust the chemical composition of molten steel.
Every ingredient contributes to a controlled reduction process. Consistency ensures stronger, cleaner steel.
And so begins the first stage of true transformation. What enters as stone will soon emerge as the foundation of steel bars. Beyond these walls, one of the world's most powerful transformations unfolds. Strict access ensures the plant operates with discipline and safety. Every individual plays a vital role in production flow. The facility is organized into specialized wings for efficiency. Safety checks guarantee readiness for the extreme conditions ahead. Inside awaits the relentless heat of molten metal. Every pipe and conduit feeds the giant systems ahead. This is the core where iron meets unimaginable temperatures. Human oversight is constant, even in fully automated systems. Real-time data shapes every decision inside the steelworks. Through reinforced glass, the raw power of steel making is visible. Below lies the center of molten transformation. Every movement here contributes to the plant's continuous rhythm. Material enters, melts, and prepares for its next evolution. Cranes move molten metal with unmatched precision. Team coordination ensures safe flow across the entire hall. Here, molten iron finally emerges into the world. From raw or to red-hot liquid, the process reaches its next chapter. Liquid iron begins its controlled journey outside the furnace. Impurities rise and are carefully removed. Waste separates from value in seconds. Purified metal advances toward refinement. Containment is critical at extreme temperatures. Each ladle carries the weight of transformation.
Temperature defines strength before chemistry does.
Composition is checked at every critical stage.
Heavy lifting demands absolute precision.
Liquid ion moves toward its next refinement. Unwanted elements must be removed.
Chemistry reshapes raw iron into steel-ready metal.
Refinement creates new byproducts.
Cleanliness improves structural integrity. Heat retention preserves metal quality.
The final conversion into steel approaches.
Iron is ready to become steel.
The core transformation is about to begin.
Molten iron enters the vessel where steel is born. Pure oxygen drives the chemical transformation. Carbon burns away under extreme heat.
Emissions are captured and controlled.
Inside, chemistry reshapes the metal.
Every second is measured.
Impurities bind and rise to the surface.
The blow phase nears completion.
Verification ensures the steel meets specification. Quality is confirmed before casting.
Strength is engineered, not accidental.
Steel is ready to leave the vessel. This is refined steel. Separation preserves purity.
Volume and composition are exact. The cycle resets for the next heat.
Steel moves forward without pause.
The liquid phase nears its end.
Here, liquid steel takes its first solid shape. Controlled flow is essential at this stage.
Temperature stability protects steel quality.
Flow is buffered and balanced. Precision governs every kilogram.
Solidification begins instantly.
Extreme cooling shapes the steel.
Liquid becomes solid in seconds. Support prevents deformation. Cooling locks internal structure.
Geometry controls internal stress.
Alignment prepares for cutting.
Length is defined with precision.
Each piece meets exact specification.
Steel begins its controlled cooling.
Time and air complete solidification.
Strength stabilizes as heat leaves.
Now, steel is ready to be shaped.
Automation takes control of the steel's final form.
Heat restores plasticity for shaping. Temperature uniformity is critical. Steel is ready for deformation. Force reshapes internal grains. Structure. Measurements update in real time.
Speed improves consistency. Automation eliminates deviation. Each pass refines shape and strength.
The steel bar takes its final geometry.
Momentum drives production efficiency.
Cooling controls, mechanical properties.
Thermal accuracy ensures durability.
Timing synchronizes every bar.
Speed never compromises accuracy. Uniform cooling prevents distortion.
Air completes metallurgical stabilization.
Final precision awaits. Precision begins where movement is controlled.
Microscopic bends are corrected.
Digital accuracy verifies physical perfection.
Automation adapts in real time.
Every surface is examined. Imperfections are removed instantly. Clean steel performs better. Dimensions define compatibility. Uniformity simplifies construction. Edges matter as much as strength. Human eyes confirm machine results. Order prepares steel for identity. Traceability ensures accountability.
Temperature balance prevents internal stress.
Final approval is deliberate. Preparation defines efficiency. Strength is now organized. Testing validates every promise.
Before steel is released, it must prove itself.
Random sampling ensures unbiased verification. Testing begins with precise preparation. Exact geometry produces reliable results. Steel strength is measured under load.
Elasticity reveals internal structure. Limits are recorded, not guessed.
Impact resistance matters under sudden stress.
Energy absorption defines toughness.
Hardness confirms surface integrity. Chemistry confirms identity.
Grain structure reveals steel's history.
Dimensions must meet exact tolerance.
Documentation guarantees trust.
Only certified steel moves ahead. Quality control protects the entire chain. Only proven steel continues its journey.
The final stage is now in sight. Production ends only when logistics begin.
Every bundle is handled with precision.
Storage protects both form and finish. Secure packaging prevents damage in transit.
Even the smallest details matter.
Every shipment is digitally traceable.
From factory to customer, nothing is lost.
The final journey begins here. Timing and coordination drive delivery.
Balance ensures safe transport.
Security completes preparation.
Responsibility signs off every shipment.
Steel is ready to leave the plant.
The journey continues beyond these walls. And this is how modern factories produce bars of steel from start to finish. Precision remains long after production ends.
Industry never sleeps.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.